People, and this is my second live. I deleted the earlier one. As you can see that it's been like literally the entire day has passed through, and I haven't really done the live reading for the day, which usually is my practice to do for the morning. Yeah, so welcome to your reading for today, which is for 12th August 2020. The reason there is a delay today is because I'm literally going through a space where I want to be completely inwards, and I really wanted to take my complete time out and not really come back on the social media, but it's just that I've had this commitment that I want to come live and do a reading. So today I'm going to do that, and I'm literally going to follow my intuitions. However, I'm going to also make that statement today that probably for next couple of days I will be off everything and just go within, as we say, take a break for your own spiritual maintenance and activate your own personal energies. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. And therefore I thought, because a lot of you have written to me and I was not able to connect back or write because I've been completely disconnected from morning. So I just thought I owed it to all of you who've written to me personally that I need to come back and tell all of you that I am going to take a break for a couple of days. I don't know how many days, but I really need time out to recharge my energy and batteries. Now, having said that, thank you so much. So many of you all have joined in and written to me also. Hi Snehal, hi Ashmita, hi Chavi. Yes, I'm doing well. I just need time off, right? And that's exactly why I've done this. Having said that, let me just that because I'm online today, I'm going to do a reading which I have used the mermaids and dolphins deck. You can see I'm slurring. I am really tired. I need that break. So I asked the mermaids, what would you like to tell me and and to everybody who's going to watch this reading later on. And interestingly, the card that has come out is yes. I hope you can see it. And what the card is saying is that your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. So once again, it's amazing that I'm supported by the card saying, because my intuition is telling me that I really need to take time out for a few days and really go within, meditate a lot, write some things. I'm planning to write another book as well. So I want to take that little time out and gather all my thoughts. And so how does it apply to you for the day? Trust your intuitions. If you have any dreams, if there is this inner voice that's coming in today, be sure you follow that, because like I always say, intuition is nothing but the GPS of your soul. It is guiding you to move into certain space and certain direction. So trust in your intuition. Literally breathe into your heart, put your hands on your heart, and ask yourself, what is it that my intuition is telling me, and do I really need to take that pertinent step? Believe you me, your heart will start fluttering and you know that the answer is yes. So walk your path and do trust your intuitions and keep me in your prayers, because thank you so much. I am taking a couple of days off. Yes, Ashmita, I've started to gather a few thoughts around my new book. I don't know what it is, because there are 3-4 ideas boiling through, and therefore also I need to take this time out. So excuse me for a couple of days if my readings are not there, but do remember me in your prayers, and I will be coming back soon in a couple of days with new energy, and of course I'll continue to do the oracle readings again. So this is Shilpa Menon signing off for today and couple of days, but holding all of you in love and light, sending you literally love waves of pink and golden love bombs right now. And yes, I will miss you guys too, but I really need this time out. So love you. Have a lovely day. And if your intuition is telling you to take a break, do that. Your intuition is telling you to do something new and different. Do that. Follow your instincts. Trust yourself. I love you all. Goodbye.